हाँ जी, अपन ने अभी तक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग बेसिक ये मतलब किसी सेमेस्टर में ही नहीं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज हैं, बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं। ये आपको सारे खास तौर से रेलवेज के, एसएससीज के पेपर्स में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट जो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं जो पूछे जाते हैं। इसके लिए जो है न केवल फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ये है जो यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग है, अदरवाइज सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट जो टॉपिक्स हैं और इस पे किस कैसे न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स किए जाते हैं, इस पे अपन जो है अभी यहाँ पे एम्फेसिस करेंगे। सो लेट्स सी कि व्हाट will be, how will simplify the questions relevant to RL, RLC and RLC, RL, RC and RLC circuits and resonant circuit also, RLC resonant circuit also. Okay, let's see. This is the source and this is the resistance, and when resistance R, voltage is V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. Current is nothing. Current is I is equal to V divided by R. So V is Vm sin of omega t divided by R. So current is Vm upon R sin of omega t. So it is simple. Vm upon R is Im. So it is Im sin of omega t. And its waveform is simply, this is the voltage waveform and this is the current's waveform. Both are in same phase. And phasor diagram will see, this is the voltage phase, this is the current phase. This is the current phase, this is the voltage phase, and this is the phasor diagram. This is the simplest circuit. Nothing have to worry about this. इसके टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं, ये तो सिंपल सर्किट है, इसमें तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन करेंगे. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग आरएल सर्किट. दिस इज द सोर्स, दिस इज द एल एंड आर. V is equal to Vm sin omega t is supplied voltage. Then current is V divided by Z. Z is impedance of the circuit. And what the impedance of the circuit? Impedance is R plus iota omega L. This iota omega L is impedance offered by the inductor. Iota omega L is inductance offered resistance, that is imaginary. That is also known as reactive resistance. So it is also represented like this: R plus iota XL. R plus X. X is the reactance. So it is reactive resistance. So this is the V. So V is equal to nothing. V is Vm sin of omega t, and Z is nothing. It is equal to R plus iota XL. So it is equal to Vm divided by under the root of R square plus X square, XL square, sin of omega t minus theta. Minus theta. What the value of theta here? Here value of theta is here the value of theta is tan inverse. Theta is tan inverse X L upon R. And we want to represent the waveform. Then waveform is, this is the voltage waveform, and current waveform is lagging from the voltage. Somewhat it is lagging from the voltage waveform. So this is the current waveform. It lags by some angle. If the lags means not started at the same point, it is lag, started after. This is the voltage waveform, this is the current waveform. This is the voltage waveform, this is the current waveform. So it is lags. And what the lagging angle, it depends upon the inductor. If both are equal, then lagging angle is 45 degree. Both are equal, then lagging angle is 45 degree. Resistance is higher than the lagging angle is 0 degree. If reactance is higher as compared to resistance, if R is very high as compared to X, then angle is 0 degree. If R is very less as compared to X, then angle is 90 degree. If R is equals to X, then angle is 45 degree. 45. So what the angle, lagging angle? And if we are to represent the phasor diagram, so this is the voltage and this is the current. And this current is lagging somewhat. It depends on the value of the inductance. Okay. So this is the simplest way to represent. Okay. Now we are taking RC circuit. So this is the source, this is the resistance, and this is the capacitance. Capacitor. This is the capacitor. This is the capacitor, and this is the RC circuit. In RC circuit, current leads. Current leads. Leads means current is ahead as compared to voltage, because the capacitor opposes the variation in voltage. So voltage lags. So here the V is supplied voltage Vm sin of omega t. This is the supplied voltage. The impedance offered is equal to R plus 1 upon iota omega c. This is the impedance offered. Impedance is total resistance offered by the circuit elements. That is known as impedance over here. Impedance Z. Z is nothing, it is known as impedance. Impedance. So it is equals to R plus, not plus, minus iota xc, minus iota xc, and here xc is nothing, here xc is 1 upon omega c. This is the capacitive reactance. This is nothing, it is capacitive reactance. This is capacitive reactance. So this is resistance and capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance. It is one kind of the resistance, total impedance. It contributes in the impedance. Impedance is the total resistance, effective resistance in a circuit due to all circuit elements. So this is the value. So what the current? Here current is equal to voltage upon impedance. So what the voltage? It is Vm sin of omega t. And what the impedance? Impedance is R minus iota xc. Xc is reactance offered by capacitance. It is Vm sin of omega t minus, not minus, it is plus. It is not minus, it is plus. Current is leads. Voltage is at 0 degree. Current is 0 plus. Vm omega t plus angle. So R square plus xc square under the root. This is the magnitude. This is the magnitude. And this angle is theta is equal to tan inverse xc upon R. And if you want to represent the waveform diagram, then this is the waveform diagram. This is the voltage. This is the voltage. And current is leads. Current is started, ahead. Initially, current is started leading. Current is leading from the voltage. Okay, so this is the way we can represent the RC circuit. RC circuit. This is nothing, it is repetition of previous lecture. It is repetition, so you can understand very well. So there is the two type of the impedances offered by the circuit elements. One is resistance, another is reactance. So reactance also two type, the capacitive reactance, the inductive reactance. The inductive reactance is positive one, capacitive reactance is negative one. Therefore, if both elements are simultaneously ones in same circuit, if both elements are come in the same, means if there is R, L and C, all the elements in one particular circuit, then total impedance offered is R plus iota XL minus XC. Why it is? Because XL is always positive, XC is always negative. So total impedance so far is XL minus XC. This is the total reactance. Reactance is the difference of these two. Difference of these two. So which one higher? The circuit behave like that. Circuit may behave as a capacitive circuit if the capacitance is higher. Capacitive reactance is higher. Circuit may behave as an inductive circuit if the inductive reactance may be higher. If both are equal, then the circuit neither behave as a capacitor nor as a inductor. It behave as a resistive circuit, and that circuit is special kind of the circuit. It is not a resonant circuit. So we will study in the later on. We will discuss in the next lecture. That is not a resonant circuit. Okay, not in the next. In this same lecture, we will discuss on the resonant circuit also. Okay, so this is the total impedance offered by. So what the current in the circuit? So the current in circuit is voltage divided by impedance offered by the impedance. This is the Z, not the 2. So it is equal to Vm sin of omega t. Omega t divided by impedance, that is R plus eta XL minus XC. RL XL minus XC. So it is equal to Vm sin of omega t, maybe plus theta, maybe minus theta, plus minus theta, it depends upon the value, divided by R square plus XL minus XC whole square under the root. Okay, and angle theta is tan inverse XL minus XC divided by R, tan inverse. So the value depends upon this. So it may be positive, this angle may be positive, it may be negative. So as per we can take the angle positive or negative. So this is the RLC circuit. RLC circuit. So this is the general equation, general way to represent the circuit, represent the equation, calculate the current if the voltage is given. Now we try to simplify the circuit by taking the examples, by taking the numerical examples, numerical problem, not only the derivation, not only the equations. केवल इक्वेशन से काम तो नहीं चलेगा. Not only the equation, we'll try to simplify the circuit by taking examples numerically. Okay. By taking examples numerically, we'll try to discuss. Okay. So first we are taking RL circuit. This is the resistance, this is the inductance. This is the circuit. The value of resistance is 10 ohm and value of inductance is 10 ohm. Inductance is 10 ohm is inductive reactance is given. 10 ohm is not L. L is not 10 ohm. Omega L is given, that is 10 ohm. Omega L. So the impedance of this circuit is 10 plus eta 10, not 10 plus 10, 20, not 10 plus 10, 20, it is 10 plus eta 10. It is equal to 10 root 2 and angle is plus 45 degree. You know the complex quantities, so both are equal, then angle is 45 degree. 10 inverse 10 by 10, that is 1, 45 degree. So if the voltage is tan, or it taking the voltage is 50 sine of omega t, then the current I is equal to 50 sine of omega t divided by tan root 2 angle 45 degree. So this current is 5 by root 2 sine omega t minus 45 degree. This is the value of current. What the power in this circuit? Power we know, the power is equal to Vm Im by 2 cos theta. That is the real power of the circuit. So Vm, what the value of Vm? Vm is 50. What the Im? Im is 5, not 5 root 2. That is a 5 root 2. Im is 5 root 2. This is the Im. I is equal to Im sin of omega t divided by 2 cos, and theta is 45 degree. So it is 50 into 5 by 25, 250 divided by 250 divided by 2 root 2 cos 45 degree 1 root 2, it is equals to, it becomes 4. So it becomes 62.5 watt. Unit of real power is watt. What is the reactive power in this circuit? You know the reactive power is Q, that is Vm Im by 2 sine of theta. This is the reactive power. As you know the real power Vi cos theta. Reactive power is Vi sin theta. Vi is the RMS values. Otherwise Vm Im by 2 cos theta, the real power. Reactive power is Vm Im by 2. That is sin theta. Reactive power. Okay. So Vm is 50, Im is 5 by root 2, and sine divided by 2, and sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree. The angle is 45 degree. So it is equal to 250 divided by 2 root 2, and it is also 1 upon root 2. So it is equals to 62.5. Not watt, volt ampere reactive. Var, not watt, it is var, not watt, it is var. Var means volt ampere reactive. It is reactive power. So it is known as var means VAR. Var means volt ampere reactive. Both are equal. Why? Reactive and active power both are equal. Why? Both components are equal. Both are 10 values. So if the components are equal, then the powers are equal. Real power and reactive power. Because the resistance draw the real power, the inductance draw the reactive power. Now we are going to give one more example to clearly understand the concept. So suppose that we have a source and a resistance and an inductor. Inductor and resistance having some different values. So suppose that this having value is equal to 30, this having value is equal to 40. Inductor having value is equal to 40, not resistance. Higher values. Okay, nothing. So impedance of the circuit is 30 plus eta 40. And the source is 100 sine of omega t. 30 plus eta 40. So the impedance of the circuit is 30 square plus 40 square under the root, and angle is tan inverse 40 by 30. So this is equals to 50, and angle is 53 degree. Angle is approximately 53 degree. We know. Otherwise you can calculate from the calculator. Okay, with help of the calculator you can calculate. It is 52 point something degree. Otherwise approximately 53 degree. Definitely it is. In this way we can find out. So this is the impedance only. Now the current. Current is voltage divided by impedance, not the Z, not the 2, it is Z. So voltage is 10, or we are taking it is 100. So 100 sine of omega t divided by impedance, it is 50, and angle is 53 degree. So definitely the current becomes 2, and sine omega t minus 53 degree. Okay, definitely. Then what we want to calculate? This is the current and this is the voltage. That only? Not that only. The real power and reactive power, the apparent power. The real power is P. The real power is P. That is VI cos theta. It is equal to Vm In by 2 cos theta. It is Vi cos theta. Otherwise Vm Im by cos theta. Vi मतलब RMS values. Otherwise maximum by 2 value. So it is equal to Vm. How much Vm? Vm is 100. Im is 2 by 2. Does not zad. It is 2. Not zad. It is 2. And cos. And theta is cos theta is cos 53 degree. Otherwise, you know the cos theta is nothing. It is R upon Z. This is the real formula or easy formula to calculate. The cos theta is nothing, it is resistive part with respect to impedance, and sin theta is nothing. Sin theta in the circuit is nothing, it is reactive part with respect to impedance of the circuit. So it is equals to 2 get cancel out, so it is 100. Cos is R upon Z, and the R is 30 and Z is 50. 30 by 50 is 0.6 into 0.6. That is 60 watt. This is real power. Now we are taking reactive power Q. Reactive power is Vm Im by 2 sin theta. So what the value of Vm? That is 100. What the value of Im? That is 2 by 2. That is 50. And sin theta is x. Sin theta is x upon z, and x is 40, z is 50. That is 0.8. That is 0.8. So this is the 2 get cancel out. This is 80 watt, not watt. Watt, not watt. It is volt ampere reactive. So total S means apparent power. Apparent power is P plus iota Q, not P plus Q. So P is real power is 60 watt and reactive power is 80 volt ampere reactive. And what the unit of S? Unit of S is volt ampere, not var, not watt, not var, not watt. It is volt ampere only. That is apparent power. In this way, we can find out real power, reactive power, current and voltage and power factor. This cos theta is nothing, it is power factor. So power factor of the circuit is 60.6. This is the power factor. This is the power factor. Power factor means the component of the power of total power. Component of power of a total power. Real power of a total power. Real power of a. So real power is 100 watt. 100. Real is 100 volt ampere. And component of real is 60. So power factor is 60. And power factor is nothing. It is real part of the circuit with respect to total impedance offered. Real resistance with respect to total impedance offered. That is power factor. Power factor is nothing. It is real component of the resistive part, real component of impedance with respect to total impedance. Means real component with respect to total. So that is power factor. That is real power. That is the component of power as compared to total power, apparent power. In this way we can find out the values. So this is good example. You can understand most of the thing from this particular example. Okay, we are taking next example for RC circuit. Okay, next example for RC circuit. RC circuit means firstly we are taking a simple circuit that consists of two elements. One is R and other is C. Okay, so the value of R is, suppose that the value of R is 5 ohm and value of C is 5 ohm. Value of C is 5 ohm. 5 ohm means its value is given in ohm, means 1 upon omega C is 5 ohm. Not the C is 5 ohm. C is been given in farad, but omega C, that is total impedance offer. So Z of this circuit is, and this voltage is given, suppose that voltage is given 100 sine of omega t. 100 sine of omega t. So Z is 5 plus eta, not plus eta, it is minus eta 5. So it is 5 root 2 and angle is minus 45 degree. So the current in this circuit is voltage upon impedance. Voltage upon impedance, this is the Z, not the 2. So voltage is 100 sine of omega t. And the impedance is 5 root 2. 5 root 2, angle is minus 45 degree. So it is equals to 5, 20 by root 2 sine of omega t minus plus 45 degree. Current is leading by 45 degree. In this RC circuit, current is always leading. Okay. So this is, we want to find out the real power. That is voltage maximum, I maximum by 2 sine of omega t, not sine, cos of omega t, cos of theta, not omega t, not omega t, cos of theta. Theta is resistive component with respect to total impedance. So voltage here is voltage की maximum value 100, current की maximum value that 20 by root 2 divided by 2, and cos theta means real part r divided by z. Z is 5 root 2, r is 5 by 5 root 2. Otherwise also theta is 45 degree, cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So it is 1 upon root 2. So it becomes 4. So 400 into 20 divided by 4. So it is 5. So 500 watt. What is the value of reactive power Q? Reactive power is Vm Im upon 2 sine of theta. So what is the value of Vm? Vm is 100. What is the value of Im? Im is 20 by root 2 and divided by 2, and sine theta is the x upon z. X is 5 upon z is 5 root 2. So root 2 get cancelled out. Otherwise also sine 45 degree, 1 upon root 2. So it becomes 4. So both are equal. Real and reactive power both are equal. Why? Because both components are equal. So it is 500 watt, not watt. It is volt ampere reactive watt. So what is the total power? Total S, apparent power. Apparent power is 500 minus J 500. It is equal to 500 root 2. 500 root 2. And angle is, not angle, we are taking in the power, volt ampere. Okay. In this way we can find out the value of power in RC circuits. Current, voltage, phase angle, power factor here is, cos theta, and value of cos theta is r upon z. Here r upon z is 5 by 5 root 2, 5 root 2, that is 1 upon root 2. Okay, in this way. Okay, we are taking one more example for RC circuit. So this is a simple resistance and this is the capacitance, and the value are, now we are taking the different value of resistance and capacitance so that the power should be differ. So the resistance value is 8 ohm, and in this capacitor having value is equal to 6 ohm. 6 ohm. Okay, and the source is tan sine of omega t or cos of omega t, whatever. We are taking now the cos of omega t. What will happen? Cos of omega t. This is the voltage source, Vs is equal to. Okay, nothing. The impedance of the circuit Z is equal to 8 minus eta 6. That is the impedance. The value becomes 8 square plus 6 square under root. That will become tan. and angle is minus tan inverse 6 upon 8, that is 36 degree, 37 degree, tan and minus 37 degree. I know, otherwise you can calculate. And value of current is equal to voltage divided by impedance. And what the voltage? Tan cos of omega t divided by impedance is tan and angle is minus 37 degree. So it becomes tan get cancel out, cos of omega t plus 37 degree. Okay. So maximum value becomes 1. So what the power? Power is Vm Im by 2. Im by 2 cos theta, and here cos theta is r upon z, and the value of r is 8 and z is tan, so it will become 0.8. So voltage, maximum value of voltage is tan, maximum value of current is 1 divided by 2, and cos theta is 0.8, so it is 5 into 0.8. Tan into 8 is equal to 4 watt. And value of reactive power Q, that is Vm Im by 2 sin theta. And power factor, it doesn't depend on this is cos theta or sin theta. Power factor does not depend on the source is cos theta or sin theta. It is cos omega t, it is sin of omega t. Power factor is always cos theta, that is always depends upon the value of resistance and reactance component. Okay. So Vm is tan, Im is 1 by 2 sin. If the cos is 0.8, then sin is x upon z. X is 6, z is tan. 6 upon tan is 0.6. 0.6, that is 3, not watt, VAR. And total S, that is apparent power S, that is equal to 4 minus J 3, that is 5 VA. That's apparent. In this way, we can find out the value of different current, voltage, power, power factor, reactive power, active power, apparent power for RC circuit, RL circuits. Oh my, you get the points, understand? Okay, I am taking one more example, some examples to clarify it, to clarify more and more. Okay. Now we are taking some more examples for RL circuits. RL circuit. Why I am taking RL circuit? Because never give, you know that it's not always possible that the R is given in ohm. Suppose that it is given that this is equal to 10 Henry and this is 5 ohm, or it is given 50 ohm, and this is source having the voltage, source voltage equal to 50 sine of 5t. Okay, the example is like this. Then what the value of Z is? What the value of Z? Z means impedance. What the value of Z? Z means impedance of the circuit. Impedance means total resistance offered by the AC circuit, which having resistance and inductance. So resistance is 50 ohm and inductance is eta omega L. So here is 50 plus eta, omega is this one 5, L is 10, so it is also 50. So it is 50 plus eta 50. So both are 50, so 50 root 2, angle is 45 degree. This is the impedance offered. So what the current? That the current is voltage V divided by Z. So here voltage is 50 sine of 5t. 5t divided by impedance. Impedance is 50 root 2 angle 45 degree. So it is a 50 it cancel out. So it becomes 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 sine of 5t minus 45 degree. 5t minus 45 degree. So this is the current. Then what the power? Real power. Real power. Real power. So real power is Vm Im upon 2 cos theta. This is the real power. Real power is Vm Im by 2 cos theta. Otherwise Vrms Irms by Vrms Irms cos theta. So Vm here is Vm is 50. Im is 1 upon root 2 upon 2 and cos theta is 45 degree. So it is 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2, 1 root 2 again 4. It is 4. So it is 12.5 watt. What is the value of reactive power? Now we can easily calculate the reactive power for here Q, reactive power. Vm Im upon 2 sin theta. So Vm is 50. Im is 1 upon root 2 upon 2 and sin theta is also 1 upon root 2. So root 2 4 it is. So you know both components are equal in value because it is 50, it is also 50. So reactive power also equals to 12.5, not what, it is VAR. So total S power is 12.5 plus J 12.5. That is 12.5 root 2 volt ampere. In this way we can find out. Now we are taking one more example for RC circuit. This is a voltage source, this is the resistance and this is a capacitor. And the value of voltage is Vm 70 sine of 2t. This resistance of 6 ohm and capacitor of 1 upon 16 farad. 1 upon 16 farad. Okay. So impedance of the circuit is R, that is 6 plus 1 upon iota omega c, that is 6 minus iota 1 upon omega. Omega is 2. Omega is 2 and c is 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16. So 16 go upper side. 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16. So it will become 8. So it becomes 6 minus J8. Okay. So this is the way. This is the way we can calculate the impedance if the capacitance is given in farad, not ohm. Okay. So current is equal to Vm sine omega t. Sine of omega is 2t divided by impedance is tan and angle is, this is the tan, 6 square plus 8 square is tan and angle is minus tan inverse 8 upon 6. 8 upon 6, that is approximately equals to 53 degree. Okay. So this is tan and angle is minus 53 degree. Tan inverse 4 by 3. This is 53 degree approximately. So it becomes Vm. What the Vm? 70 sine of 2t divided by tan and angle is minus 53 degree. So therefore the current is 7. Current is 7 and sine of 2t minus plus 53 degree. Okay. Otherwise you can write down like, if you are not knowing the value, then you can write down tan inverse 4 by 3 also. It is right answer. More right answer, more correct answer. If the P is power, that is Vi cos theta. So what the value of V? V is 70 by root 2. 70 by root 2. That is the RMS value. What the current I? So current I is not 7. 7 by root 2. That is the RMS value. What the cos theta? Cos theta is real component of divided by total. So 6 by 10. That is 0.6. So it is equals to 490. So this 0 is divided by this 49 divided by 4, 49 into 3 divided by 2. So it is 147 by 2, 147 by 2. So it is 147 by 2. That is 73, 173.5 watt. Okay. Then what is the value of Q? Q is VI sin theta. So V is 70 by root 2, I is also 70 by root 7 by root 2, and sin theta is 0.8. So it is equals to 49 divided by 4 into 0.8. So 0.8 cancel out by this one. This is 2. So it is 98 VAR watt. So this is the way we can find out the value of capacitive circuits: real power, reactive power, current, phase angle, power factor, and impedance. All the things we can easily calculate. Very easily calculate. Now we are doing RLC circuit. Very interesting